Welcome back everyone. So how you can use snipping tool or snip, okay? So how we can use it and how we can use it, okay? So that's it. Go to start bar and search here snipping tool, okay? So open the snipping tool. Okay, just open it. And now you can see we have some kind of interface, okay? So if you click new, you can take screenshot like this one, okay? I have taken the screenshot. If you want to draw something, you can draw from here, just like that. And I want to say this is important. Okay, so you can see it's work like that. Okay, so also you can save if I say yes, and also you can crop. Okay, you can crop the image if you want to, just like this. Okay, and also you can erase. Okay, there are many things you can do. So that's it for today. And also one more thing I want to show you that you can see that if you click print screen or function printing screen, you can see you can take the screenshot, okay, just like this. And if you have the snipping tool in your operating system, you can open it from there. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.